it's okay to be unsociable. It's hard to believe that we're in November. It's reasonably warm for the time of year. There's not a breath of wind, apart from being a bit damp. It's really rather pleasant. We're coming up to the time of year when we have big family gatherings, works, do's, big get-togethers. The common perception in society is that you're supposed to embrace being with lots of people, embrace sociable situations. I'm not like that. I like my own company. Take today for example. I'm out in a bit of woodland and I'm just cooking a bit of lunch. We're going for a bit of curry today. We got some coconut milk, garlic, tomato puree, and some hot madras powder. I've got a chilli in here as well. And I'm living the dream. Oh dear. Always makes me jump when I put the gas on, I don't know why. So what I'm trying to say is, I like my own company. I like just being out in a bit of nature, I guess, or perhaps quick. Just doing, you know, simple things. Still trying to get used to this low down stove I got from MSR. Where was I? Yeah, I enjoy my own company. And I guess that makes me unsociable. Well, I am unsociable. So for years, I try to go along with, you know, when other people are having parties and that, you know, like the whole family thing, and, you know, Auntie Maud, Uncle Tom, you know, Cousin It, Cousin Dave, or whatever. And you go around somebody's house and there's like 30 or 40 people around there, or 10 or 20. You've got the general idea. And I've always felt kind of uncomfortable with that because it's not inbuilt within me. And as I've got older, I've learned to say no, to be on my own. You know, I like being with close family, don't get me wrong. But I don't generally enjoy being with a lot of people. I just prefer my own company. And as you good people there, my demographic, I guess, of pretty much outdoor type people, or people who enjoy this sort of thing. I was wondering if you're kind of in the same mind as myself, in the same mindset, that you like to kind of be on your own and you don't need to be so much with people. Cheated a bit today. I brought out a little bit of hot water to save time. So the question, I guess, is, do you get more unsociable as you get older? Is it something that comes along, or is it something you always have and you're kind of born with? So I thought I'd just throw that out there and go touch more and ask, you know, is that just me, or is it like a general thing as you get older? I'd be interested to know. Throwing a bit of garlic. I can't be doing with all that cutting up vegetables while I'm out if I can possibly help it. I kind of quite like the dried stuff. It works well. Oh, this is starting to look good. So I'd be interested to know what your take on stuff is. Oh, I think there was a dog coming up to visit me then. I'm kind of up a hill here. There's a dog down there, and he was getting a right telling off. he was after me, Carrie. That's so funny. Chili time. I didn't really bring a knife with me, but I've got this little Leatherman. I've had it for a while, and it comes in really handy. It's got a tiny blade on it, and it's got a really useful pair of scissors, so we go with that. I've not been disturbed yet either. There's a few people about in the wood. Usually somebody comes down a footpath or whatever, but today it's been pretty good. Any of you aspiring chefs out there, you see me do this, you'll be going, what is she doing? It's all I got. I'm improvising. Just reuse what you got. Beautiful job. Let's try a bit. That's a naughty one. We've got all that creaminess going on from the coconut milk, and I can definitely feel the heat from the chili and all the flavour from the curry powder. That's all I wanted to say, really, is that it's okay to be unsociable, to be in your own world, to be comfortable with your own company. Ooh, bit of pork. It would be interesting to know your thoughts. I'll see you next time. InfoZhed out. Right, we're all done now. This blooming curry's hot. It's ever so nice. It's missing alcohol. It's missing a nice kind of pale ale or ice cold lager. And some prawn crackers. Oh, prawn crackers.